Hi friends, I am Saloni, a life and parenting coach, and today I'm going to talk about parenting. I'm starting this series for parents of videos where I'll be giving you certain very simple parenting tips to handle day-to-day parenting challenges. And I'm very thankful to all my friends, my clients, especially my friend Sunita Viddu, who has really pushed me and inspired me to start this series for parents, as I work with a lot of parents and families to coach them to live a better life. So let's start today. And before I start, I want to tell you that this is not only going to be a knowledge sharing session, rather it's going to be like a coaching session with me. So I want you to grab your notebook and a pen and write down the answer to the questions I'll be asking, because that way you will get the most out of this video. So let's start. So the very first thing I want you to ask yourself is this: what do you really want for your child? And when I ask this question from parents, most of the time the answer I get is this: we want our child to be happy, or we want our child to be confident, or we want our child to be positive. Most of the parents want their children to listen to them and do well in their life and have strong values. So anything that comes to your mind, just write it down. Then also think of things which you think you would not want your child to do. So it can be that you don't want your child to be angry, aggressive, you don't want your child to be disrespectful or rude. So make a list of what do you want your child to be, and a list what do you not want your child to be or do, right? So once you have made the whole list, maybe made two lists like this: what do you want your child to be, and another one is not be. Right. So once you have completed your list, then I want you to ask yourself this question. Let's start with number one: happy. On every single point that you have written for your child, I want you to rate yourself on a scale of 10 to 100%. How happy are you? Yes, not your child, but yourself. So I want you to write down, let's say if you write, I'm 40% on a scale of 10 to 100% on the happiness. How confident are you in your life? How positive are you in your life? Similarly, how respectful are you? How much do you listen to your child, to your partner, or anybody else in your life? And if you're wondering why I'm asking you to rate, the simple reason is this: children do not learn and do things what you teach them, what you tell them. Rather, they do what they live, what they see you living on a day-to-day basis. So it's as simple as it sounds, even though it's not simple to do, but definitely it is as simple that whenever you want your child to be happy, start noticing how happy you are and start bringing that in your life, right? So once you have rated yourself on all the points, then just ask yourself this question: what one thing I need to do in order to go to next level? So let's say if your happiness level is 40%, then what would you need to do to go to 50% in your life? Just one thing. And interestingly, you will find that it's not the things that you need to do, rather than it will be things that you need to drop in your life. So maybe you need to drop the need to be a perfectionist. Maybe you need to drop the need to keep your house super clean if you're a cleanliness freak. Or maybe it's you need to control others, to make others fulfill your expectations, or make your children listen to you. Whatever your needs are, mostly is going to be dropping something. Maybe you are doing a lot of things in a day, so maybe you need to drop some things on your to-do list. So start noticing what is it that you need to unlearn and drop on day-to-day life to be the person you want to be. And also just notice, but the things which you have written on not to be list, it may be that I don't want my child to be angry, to be rude. Just notice if you are also being angry and rude or disrespectful, how you can stop doing that. What is one thing that you can do? Whether it's taking time for yourself, whether it's having more fun in life, whatever it is that you need to do in order to be a balanced and a calm person, start doing that one thing. So I want you to just put down on your paper and pen one thing in order to become who you want to be, and one thing which you want to drop, what you don't want to be. Once you do that, you will start noticing the magic happening, because the moment it's not that you have to be fully sorted and 100% perfect parent in order to help your child become their best. But when you start this journey, if you start taking just one action at a time, just one action, that's what I want you to start taking from today. You will notice a change in your child's behavior as well. I can guarantee you that. So I hope this tip will help you. And to conclude the session, what I want to convey to you is this: whatever you want your child to be that person yourself first. So be the person that you want your child to be. Be a parent who inspires their child. So this was for today, and I would love your comments in the comment section. Just share your experience with me, and if you have any questions that you would want me to answer in my video series, please drop down in the comment section again. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Thank you.